Hey guys, Kayla here, or Callie, and welcome to day 7 of me attempting to knit the entire korshavn sweater in just 7 days. An update from last night, I got to the collar, and so I finished the front, and then the collar, and now I have the 2 sleeves left. And today's the last day of the challenge, so I'm just like, oh my gosh, I need to kick it into high gear and get this done. Okay, I'm very excited for this, honestly. I'm very excited. So here's the game plan, okay? I'm gonna do one sleeve, finish the decreases of them. Then I'm gonna put it on hold, pick up the stitches here, finish this entire sleeve, and then come back and then finish the rest of the sleeve off. I think that is a good plan. Because it will keep me motivated to actually finish instead of finishing an entire sleeve and then having to come and pick up stitches here. And, you know, for my brain, it'll make sense. But anyway, this is it. Okay, I've been out all day for work stuff, okay? But I was able to get this much of the sleeve done. I picked up stitches literally on the ride there, and I just knit periodically throughout that time. It is currently 6:55 p.m. I just got home literally like 5 minutes ago. So this is what I have. I have 2 more decreases left, but like 1 more set of the chart left before I just have like a half a set potentially, and then the ribbing. So I'm thinking that I'm not going to stop the sleeve to work on this sleeve. I'm just going to finish this because I didn't realize how little stitches I would have left over with this. So I'm just going to finish the sleeve, okay? And then I'm going to stay up to finish the second one, okay? So this one will probably take me like 2 hours to finish, maybe, depending. Yeah, it could take me like 2 hours to finish, which that's going to be 9 p.m. And then this one is going to take me like 5 hours to finish, which if it takes me from 9 p.m. to 2 a.m., that's 5 hours. 3 a.m., that's 6 hours. I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it because on the last day of the Salty Days sweater, I stayed up until 5 a.m. to finish it, okay? So I'm down to do the same thing for this one, but I need to finish it, okay? So my goal right now, just finish this sleeve. I got a good bit done, so let's finish it all, and then I'll get back to you on when I start picking up stitches for the next sleeve. I just finished watching Deadpool and Wolverine with my siblings. It was great, amazing. I love the fan service. I love Deadpool, I love Wolverine. I could watch all random movies about them, okay? Anyway, forget about them for now. I finished a sleeve. Perfect, beautiful, amazing, right? I'm starting on the next sleeve. I'm staying up. So do I watch Criminal Minds? Maybe not. It's almost 11 p.m. Okay? How many hours can I realistically knit on this before I'm just like gone out? Okay, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. With 4 hours, I think I can get halfway through the decreases, or like almost done with the decreases. because that's what I did earlier and I got good progress on it. So first of all, where's my chart? It's in my iPad, I think. Yes, okay. So got my chart. I think, we all think, yeah, I think maybe up until 3 a.m. I can really get a good knitting session in, but I have to watch something. But not anything that is too deep. So no movies, no TV shows maybe. So I think I'm gonna pull up a stream of a Fortnite streamer I watch, Courage JD, who I've been watching since like he first started streaming years ago. That's it for now. I'm gonna get started on this sleeve and we're gonna see how long I can stay up to finish it, okay? Because listen, I have to do it. Guys, tell me not to do this again, okay? My eyes are burning right now. Okay, they're not burning, they're just aching. I feel like I have like second, third, fourth, fifth wind. So I finished, right? It's like 4 a.m. Ignore that. You didn't hear that time. I did say it will take up to that time, right? Wake up. Okay. Here it is. Done. Done. I can't. Okay. Oh, my thing's getting. I am getting more excited now because I am finished. Dude, I took off my earrings. I took off my necklace. I was just like, I just can't. I need to at least feel like I'm preparing to go to bed. I feel like I'm about to fall asleep. Okay. Anyway, I finished. Here's the sweater. Let me try it on and show you what it looks like before I block it. Or maybe you will see that in my actual blocking video. Yeah. Watch the blocking video if you want to see this on me. But here it is in its entirety. Do I recommend this pattern? Like, I didn't hate the pattern. I just felt like it could have been written clearer than it was. It's easy to follow and understand once you understand what's happening in the pattern. Once you realize that it's not going to be super like, hey, do this, hey, do that. It's just gonna be, or like, hey, here's what you should do for the neckline, you know, you knit this amount of stitches, then cast off this, and then knit that. It doesn't tell you that. It just says, cast off the neck. Yeah. And it's like, what? Let me move my burn yarns to the side to read that again. What do you mean? So, yeah, that's what happened there. I have one skein of mohair left, plus this. Yay! And then I have that. I have a half a skein of this left. This, and then I think I have 2 more of this. I got like 3 more skeins than what I needed for this project. And I knew I would have a lot more. I always get way more than I need because I refuse to play yarn chicken. Like, no, I will pay for more yarn and have more left over and then use the scraps for something else. But I refuse to play yarn chicken. Nope. Like, I need to feel confident during the knitting process knowing that I have all the yarn that I need and then some. So let me actually get the rest of the skeins because my sisters and I are gonna put all of our leftover full skeins in a bag to use for something later. Alrighty, so I have 3 full skeins left and a half a skein of this, and then half a skein of mohair and a full skein. So that is awesome. I'm so happy. So let's see how much yarn I actually used. For this, I have it all in here. Yeah, so I used 14 and a half skeins of this, which is, let me count the total for 15 skeins, because I bought 18 skeins and I have 15 left, so. I bought 18 skeins and I used 15 of that, so I had 3 left. All right, this is 70 meters, 70 times 15. So I used, well, I didn't use fully. I think the pattern called for like 940 meters, and the total of 15 skeins is 1050 meters, but I only used half of this yarn, so I think I used around what the pattern called for, which is great. And so that's of the Drops Alaska, and I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 4.5 skeins of mohair. And that is, stop it, 1050 meters. But I only used half of the skeins, so I think I used around what the pattern called for. That is crazy. I didn't think that we actually use the same amount of yarn for, you know, when I double strand things with mohair, I always say, yeah, you know, you use around the same amount of meterage, but I didn't think you actually did. That's the amount of yarn that I use. I use just under 1,000 meters, 1,050 meters, which is what the pattern calls for. I'm so excited, which means I was on gauge. I never gauge swatch, okay? But anyway, I'm done. Took 7 days. Yay, I'm never doing this again. Okay, I'm not gonna do it again, but I don't want to do it again. The plans that I have for my sweaters the next few months, they are not anything I would do a challenge for. So anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching me go crazy doing this challenge, and watch my next video if you want to see it on me before and after vlogging. Okay, bye.